But right now, let's get the show started with...
Excuse me. Come here. You forgot to mention the sketch I am in.
Well, I didn't forget. I just didn't think it was important.
You didn't?
It's important, but not that important.
I
mean, it's not like it was a matter of life and death.
You're sure about that?
Ladies and gentlemen, later on in the show, our own Miss Piggy here will be portraying a brand new character, Wonder Pig. A word of caution. There are scenes in this story which may not be suitable for adults.
Oh, dear. Oh, wake up. It is I, your beautiful sister. Oh, come in.
Oh, Doctor, at last you've come.
Yes, what seems to be the problem?
Oh, doctor, my husband and I...
Yes, dear.
We came home and found my sister in a trance-like state. And all she does is make strange sounds like...
It's almost as if she's in a state of shock. As if she'd been frightened by a chicken.
Chicken?
Oh, that's ridiculous. Well, I don't know. Do you keep any chickens on the ranch?
My husband and I have no chickens.
Has she had any cacciatore? He has it too.
Oh, no!
I wonder if it's contagious or if it's something he saw.
Oh, no! What is it, husband? Oh. What? Is it something you saw? Oh, no! Oh, no! What is this terrible thing? Holy guacamole! This is a job for Wonder Pig! Beat it, you dumb clock! Eat your heart out in the cutter.